Let's see how to put anything in perspective view in Photoshop. First of all, you have to select this polygonal lasso tool and go ahead and select your perspective subject, just like this. And then go to your image subject, unlock the layer, and then click on select, and here select all, and go to edit and copy your image. Then go back to your perspective project and here click on edit and click on paste spatial, and then just select paste into, and then select your image, press Ctrl T, and here you can easily go ahead and resize your image just like this. Now right click on your image and here select perspective, and now you can easily make the image perspective just like this. So it may take some moments to make the image perspective completely. Once you are happy, just click on done, and that's it. This is how we can actually put anything in perspective view in Photoshop.